Broke, bored, and frustrated with school not teaching you how to actually make money? Listen up, because I was once a penniless student too before discovering a simple money-making blueprint. In the next few minutes, I'll show you step by step how I went from $0 to earning my first $1,000 in just weeks. Skeptical? Allow me to demonstrate that anyone, including struggling students, can start generating real income following this proven formula I uncovered. Let's dive in. Cultivate in-demand skills. We hear so much about following our passion or doing what you love, but the truth is the foundation to making real money is first developing skills that are valuable in the marketplace right now. The higher demand for the skill, the more you can charge for it. For most traditional degree programs, you end up with nice-sounding credentials, but no actual skill sets relating to generating revenue that companies will pay for. What a shame. Instead, I want to encourage you to take full advantage of resources your college likely has, like courses, books, mentors, and training programs to build skills around sales, persuasion, communication, emotional intelligence, product creation, marketing psychology, and more. These capabilities transfers into any industry and allows you to offer tremendous value to organizations, which translates into lucrative job offers or personal business ventures. I cannot emphasize this point around real skills enough. Get an income-producing job initially. All right? $0 in your account is no way to live long-term. Let's start rectifying that ASAP. At your college, look into work-study programs that specifically fund campus jobs for students in need. Great options would be manning the front desk at recreation centers, being a teacher's assistant for classes you did well in, coding or designing posters for university departments, campus tour guide for prospective students, etc. If off-campus roles are permitted, explore gigs like retail shop associate, restaurant server, rideshare driver, childcare, pet sitting, or dog walker. Having any consistent influx of money gives you more wiggle room to start experimenting with business ideas later without the stress of urgent financial pressures. Also, interact with every customer, classmate, and coworker as an opportunity to strengthen your emotional intelligence, communication styles, and connecting skills. Notice what verbal and nonverbal tactics seems to work best. Build that muscle. Now, perhaps your family situation demands you focus exclusively on academics. I understand. You can still soak up the interpersonal skills building mindset on campus with group projects, study sessions, and through casual conversations around the quad. Learn key money-making skills. The foundation for making money is having a valuable skill that people will pay for. Instead of just going through the motions in school, focus on skills like sales, persuasion, and copywriting that can translate into online businesses. Take opportunities to practice connecting with people, even just talking to classmates or people at your gym. These soft skills are so valuable in business. Improve your health and routine. Success requires physical and mental energy. Make health a priority by exercising 4 times a week and overdosing on caffeine, the legal kind. I know it sounds crazy, but research shows more caffeine equal more money, maybe because it keeps you focused. Also, make your routine and environment inspiring by joining the most expensive, high-end gym you can afford. Surrounding yourself with successful people raises your standards. You expand your thinking about what is possible for your life. The gym also gives you a chance to network and make valuable connections with business owners and investors who can support your entrepreneurial dreams. Psychology of abundance. After applying the above steps, you might hit some income milestones like $500 or $800 earned. Excellent! But you must keep your psychology expanding beyond scarcity and fear if you want to quickly scale up. The roadblock for most is thinking $1,000 is some massive, life-changing amount of money. It really isn't in the grand scheme. So right from the start, see $1,000 as just one small stepping stone on your financial journey upwards. Maintain buoyant, positive energy around earning way beyond that. The most consistent high achievers in business, sports, and academia have conditioned their minds to see current obstacles or setbacks as temporary while keeping supreme confidence that their big goals will absolutely manifest in due time. Adopt this mental framework early on your money-making path. Choose a profitable monetization model. Phenomenal! With your blossoming toolbox of in-demand talents, healthy high-performance routine, and tenacious wealth-focused mindset, you now get to apply it all towards creating consistent revenue. I have a number of proven recommendations for you. Launching a freelancing business providing services like copywriting sales messages and ads, editing videos, consulting calls, website design, delivering groceries, or teaching music lessons. Creating online courses, distilling your expertise, whether around fiction writing, guitar playing, French cooking, meditation, fitness, etc. $97 price point, building a passionate YouTube following by providing value around topics you geek out on. Monetize through ads, affiliates, and selling merch. Drop shipping products people crave from irresistible brands with nice profit margins. But my absolute favorite model, requiring minimal upfront capital that I used to generate my first $1,000, which I want to walk you through step by step, is Video Sales Letter Magic. The blueprint is creating what is called a Video Sales Letter, or VSL for short. This is an engaging explainer video that describes a compelling offer or product while incorporating persuasive selling frameworks, all within a captivating story. You then drive traffic to this strategic video via social media ads and email lists targeting qualified buyers. Every 3 to 7% who view it will purchase your offer, valued at around $97 to $197, generating nice profits. So if 2,000 people see your video sales letter, expect 60 to 140 paying customers minimum. Let me walk through exactly how to execute this reliably and rapidly. Step 1, professional video production. Outsource creating a quality 3 to 5 minute animated explainer video through a freelancer on Upwork.com or Fiverr. Simple animated style is totally fine. Spend $300 to $500 getting this produced professionally. Step 2, high value offer. The offer should be an online course, guide, or training program delivering extreme value on a topic you have expertise in. Ideas, fitness workouts and meal plans, playing guitar mastery, affiliate marketing tutorial, meditation program, relationship advice, etc. Step 3, irresistible messaging. Work with a talented copywriter to meticulously craft how you describe and frame this offer in written, graphic, video, and audio formats across your funnel. Persuasive messaging is truly an art and science. Step 4, traffic and conversion. Run Facebook and Instagram ads sending targeted traffic to your VSL. Include retargeting pixels. For 2 to 3%, you get purchasing, you easily scale up to $1,000 revenue quick. Step 5, deliver like crazy. Over-deliver on your coaching program. Go above and beyond on content and personal access you provide. This leads to satisfied customers who organically refer others. Step 6, rinse and repeat. With a proven baseline funnel now established, expand into additional niches and offers. Plug traffic into a template that converts. Automated income. And that wraps up my complete guide to going from $0 to your first $1,000. I hope you found tremendous value in this step-by-step tutorial. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share Money Flux channel for more game-changing business and mindset mastery content.